Hello tech enthusiasts. Luna here from Quantum Tech Lab, your go-to hub for simplifying technology and making it work better for you. Today, I'll guide you how to change the date and time settings on the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu acts as the central control panel of your phone. From here, you can manage many important features such as network connections, privacy controls, security options, display settings, and the apps installed on your device. It's the main place where you customize how your phone works. Next, scrolling and seeing general management. This section contains important system options like language settings, keyboard preferences, reset options, and date and time controls. Tap on General Management to open it. Now look for the date and time option and tap on it. By default, most Samsung phones use the automatic date and time feature, which sets the time based on your mobile network. To manually change the time, turn off the automatic date and time toggle. Once the automatic option is disabled, you will be able to manually edit the settings. Tap on Set Date to choose your preferred date from the calendar. After that, tap on Set Time and adjust the hour and minutes according to your preference. If you found this guide helpful, keep exploring your device and discovering new features. Stay curious, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next tech guide from Quantum Tech Lab.